shit. Did you know it's been over 9 months since I posted? For all you know, somebody could have knocked me up and I just had a baby. Actually, I ended up getting a job in social media marketing, and I've spent every day in 2019 posting a photo on Instagram with my DSLR, learning how to properly shoot and edit photos. And I love Chicago and moved to California. Out in Long Beach.
With so much drama in the LBC.
Yeah. The LBC. Now that you're up to date, let's talk about this iPhone 11 Pro. The unboxing is pretty typical for Apple. A couple Apple stickers, a SIM ejector tool, but look at this. An upgraded power adapter to charge your iPhone a lot quicker. So much better than its previous paltry 5-watt chargers. Thank you, Apple, for not being so goddamn cheap this year by giving us a proper charger for a $1,000 phone. Lightning connector earpods, and a Lightning to USB-C cable. So this is the successor to 2018's iPhone XS. The iPhone 11 Pro gets upgraded with Apple's A13 Bionic CPU that processes faster and consumes less power. Its display also gets upgraded to what Apple calls a Super Retina XDR OLED. That offers 800 nits of brightness, a big bump from last year's 625, a much bigger battery boost from 2658 mAh to 3190, and upgrades all around on its front and rear cameras, which includes an additional third camera on the back, an ultra-wide lens to accompany its standard wide lens, and its telephoto shooter for a closer shot of your subject. Here's a quick example. Telephoto, wide, ultra-wide. And those were really the big things that stood out for me. With the short time I've had with it, I have nothing but good things to say about its build quality, its craftsmanship, and that's something that's been consistent year over year, but it's looking a little long in the tooth in its now, 3-year model run. But this midnight green color is subtle and handsomely done, its back matte finish doesn't attract fingerprints as bad as its predecessors, and its camera finally seems like a worthy upgrade when compared to the XS over the 10. Expect a proper camera comparison video later this week. Couple that with better performance and a much bigger battery, and I can say that the iPhone 11 Pro is probably going to be a proper upgrade to the iPhone XS, which is great because I didn't want to have to say what I said last year. Same shit, different color. Now that I got a full-time job again and I can buy a couple new phones here and there, it gives me the opportunity to get back into what I love doing, and that's reviewing new tech, filming, and video editing. My goal here is to post at least once a week, and because I have a full-time job, I feel like that's pretty reasonable. And for everybody who stuck by me and supported me, a big shout out and thanks to you all. If you haven't already, follow me at Phone Jerome on Instagram for daily posts, and at Phone Jerome on Twitter to hear me bitch and moan every so often. I'll see you soon.
Yeah.